Padma Shri Advocate Ujjwal Nikam. He's a senior lawyer joining me on the telecast. These incidents are not far and few in number. This keeps happening in our country, but you know, the shocking revelation that has come forth is this is a school where this incident has taken place, where you have to have all the checks and balances in place, safety of the students, of the children in place. The girls were 2 years old, 3 years old and 4 year olds respectively, and the fact that there was this brazen attempt that was made by the sweeper who had been appointed. He was systematically raping them, sexually assaulting them, and the incident has only come to light just a few days ago. How do we curb this menace? Who should be held accountable for this?
Indeed, it's a very gruesome incident which had occurred in that school, and on the backdrop of this incident, really certain questions are being cropped up. So far as the minor girls and the boys are concerned, while taking them to the washroom from the classroom, what additional measures are required to be taken? Now you see, by taking and having the additional measures, see, they can escape the liability on the ground that it's not working, CCTV footage has bad images, there was no electric current, etc. But I think we'll require to make amendment in the POCSO Act itself for bringing the school management criminally responsible if at all they won't pay much attention and they won't take care of these primary precautionary measures. So the incident which had occurred in Badlapur is an eye-opener for taking the precautions, and now yet the police have not yet, they are investigating the crime, and we have to give them some time. But unfortunately in this whole episode again the politics is being played. That is again a very nasty thing. See, concerned political parties should refrain from making any statement which would unnecessarily intervene or interfere in the investigation.
You're absolutely right, sir. Advocate Nikam, at the same point, here, this is the responsibility, the onus lies on the principal, the school management, the trustees who have been lackadaisical, I'm sorry to say, in ensuring the safety and security of the children.
Yes, I'm of the candid opinion that unless we'll bring the legislation in the POCSO itself by making certain amendments, because unless they will hold criminally liable, I won't say that they can conspire, but certainly for not attending these basic things also should be punishable, so that such type of incident can be averted. Number one. Number two, you see, while keeping the servants for carrying these minor children to the washroom, not only the CCTV footage, but their attendance also, their signature on the muster should be taken by the class teacher. Though it will take a time to do all these things, but now this is a need of the time, and I think the government will pay serious attention. Not only the Maharashtra government, but throughout the country, this is a burning issue, should be taken at top priority.
How do you view this? You know, you have this rape and murder that has taken place in Kolkata of this trainee doctor. This has gotten out of control. The entire country at this point of time is enraged. There you see a Badlapur incident such as this, where these innocent minors, 3-year-old, 4-year-old girls, they are just being sexually abused, and I'm sure this must not have been the first of such incidents. The fact that it has just come to light, and the lackadaisical attitude once again of the system, which is, you know, comes glaringly in front of you, and it sort of numbs you, it shocks you, it also then forces you to ask a question. that where are your children safe? Do you keep them shut inside your homes? Do you not let them step out? And if that's what the parents would have to do to safeguard the lives and the security of their loved ones, of their children, of the girls particularly, is this not a violation of their basic right to live?
Certainly you are right. We can't put such a horrible restriction, I would say, on the children. But certainly the parents also should take a note. They should gain the confidence of the children. So far as the Badlapur incident, that girl has made a complaint to the mother saying that she had some irritation in a private part. That is the reason as to then she made a deep inquiry in the matter. My question is, nowadays most of the mothers, they don't pay much serious attention to the complaints of the small children. They think that, oh no, this is not correct, what you are talking, rubbish and all these things. So at least the mother should tell their small kids what is meant by private part, and all this education should be given the home. Because, and they should be the kids should be told by the mother, look, if anybody will touch the private part, then it is inappropriate. You should resist, you should tell her mother or teacher immediately. Especially what I found in the villages, such things happen very rampantly. And the kids never made any complaint to the parents because they don't have that much bridge, communication gap between the elderly person, father, mother, and the children. So that the gap is to be removed by the children. That is my reading. Because I have conducted a number of sex assault cases of the minor, as well as in the Shakti Mill gang rape case in Mumbai, then the Koperty rapes, in so many cases in the Maharashtra also. So what my observation is that there is some communication between the kids and their parents. This is number one. Number two is kids should be told very categorically, look, what is appropriate and what is inappropriate. So they should understand the meaning, what is bad, what is good, and all these things.
Yes, absolutely.
So
but at this point in time, I'm imagining the plight of that 3-year-old. She's gone to the washroom. She needs help. She's just a mere child, a toddler. And even if she was taught good touch, bad touch, and she would have definitely not liked what was being done to her body by this man, this sweeper over there. It would have been very, very easy for the sweeper to shut her mouth and just carry on doing the heinous act that he was.
Yeah. Yes, you are right. Certainly right. So that is why this had opened. But this had opened after 2 days. There was a delay of 2 days. So in a criminal trial, delay is important. Again, there is a grievance that police did not register the complaint of the parent immediately. They were asked to keep waiting. So of course the government has taken a serious action against those police officers who did not take the FIR immediately. I think the government has taken immediate steps in the matter. But unfortunately, again in the Maharashtra, in Badlapur incident, the politics is being played. Yesterday only in the night, I have received a communication from the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Fadnavis, and the Home Minister, who is in charge of the Home Folio. And he told me that I should accept this matter and appear in the PP. But immediately the politics has started. The opposite political leader said that Mr. Nikam won't give the justice to us, and so many things. So in such a heinous crime, nobody should look from that political angle. I can understand if anybody doesn't pay attention to the case, then they should be taken seriously.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.